Hello students, my name is Dr. F. Tink. You may call me Dr. E in class and in emails. You are enrolled in a course called Integrated Science. This is a course designed to satisfy the science requirements for students in many majors. The course is especially intended for students who are not majoring in science and engineering fields. It's a 2-semester course. LIBA 150 focuses on the physical sciences, and LIBA 151 focuses more on earth sciences and biological sciences. The courses are designed so that you can take them in either order. The course will be taught in a fairly non-traditional way. That is, we will have some lectures, but to a great extent, we will expect you to come to class after having viewed some video lectures or read some material, so that we can spend much of our time together in discussions and working on problems. That is, this course will emphasize active learning exercises. In some cases, that will involve small teams working on a problem, presenting your analysis to the larger group, and perhaps with some actual hands-on activities. The course is called Integrated Science. It's not physics, it's not chemistry, not astronomy, not engineering, not biology or geology or material sciences, but an integration of each of these subfields of science. Essentially, we will be breaking down walls, and we will place a heavy emphasis on discussing the historical aspects of scientific discoveries and the relevance of science in your daily lives. That is, if you are hoping to take this science course as a way to delve deeply into the fundamentals of a specific science, elementary particle physics, for example, or the latest in quantum theory, then this is not the course that you want. But if you want to be exposed to a broad range of scientific concepts so that you can be a more informed citizen and consumer, and so that you can understand and analyze science-related topics in the news, then this is the course for you. And believe it or not, we will in fact touch upon elementary particle physics, quantum mechanics, the theory of relativity. Now, we will show you equations because they are part of science. E equals mc squared, for example. But you will be required to perform relatively little mathematics on your own. I will be one of the faculty members teaching this course. Others will include Dr. Teresa Levitt, whose field is the history of science, Dr. Marco Caviglia, whose field is physics, Dr. Steve Davis, whose field is chemistry. My own field is biochemistry. And in the second course, we will bring in faculty members from geology, biology, psychology. You may also see a graduate student or an undergraduate student who will assist in the class. So don't be surprised if you see a lot of instructors coming in and out of this class. The rules of engagement will be given in the course syllabus, which will be posted in Blackboard, as will all of the video lectures. We will discuss the schedule for the course in one of the first face-to-face lectures. Some of the instructors may rely on a more traditional lecture format. For my components, I will ask you to view a sequence of video lectures posted in Blackboard, each of which will be 10 to 15 minutes in length. After each video lecture, you will be given a very brief quiz, 3 to 5 questions, over the material you have just viewed. If you miss more than one question, unfortunately, you'll have to view the lecture material again and retake the quiz before proceeding to the next lecture. Essentially, you will be required to step through each of these video lectures, more or less at your own pace, except that you will be required to complete certain video lessons before coming to class so that you can participate in the classroom activities. That is, we expect you to be ahead of the chains rather than behind the chains. Once you have viewed all video lessons for a chapter, you will be able to print summary notes to use as a study guide. And we will have a few standard type tests. And this will all be explained in the syllabus, as will be the components that lead to your final grade. So good luck in the course. I hope you find it beneficial. See you in class.